Just look at that shine. Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I am Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So as you would have already known, today I'm going to share some of the best lipsticks that I really like to wear during no makeup days. So as you can see, I have no makeup on my skin now. So I'm going to swatch and review about those lipsticks. So let's get into the video without any further delay. So the first lipstick is from Lakme. It's their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. I've seen many influencers speaking about this particular lipstick. So I recently tried it out and I'm really in love with it, guys. I'm speaking about the shade New Dream. It's such a beautiful mauve pink kind of a shade that looks absolutely gorgeous on a brown dusky skin tone with and without makeup. So this is how the shade looks like on my skin. So if you're around NC 45 and 46, so you are going to be similar to my skin tone, and these shades are going to be so good on you. Can you look at that? It has a perfect depth, though it's not too deep. So it's like very good everyday kind of a shade. You do not need any lip liner, nothing. You can just wear it like that and it'll be good to go. So on no makeup days, if you love pink and mauve pink kind of a shades, this is going to be so good on you. And speaking about the formula, this is so good, comfortable, great for everyday use. It is almost transfer proof and it's quite long lasting. So the price we pay, it's completely worth it. So yeah, I can just keep on speaking about it. I just want to keep it short. So this is absolutely so good, and this would get a 9.5 on 10. We always speak about pinks and browns for everyday use, right? But what about reds? So there are very certain limited red shades that look beautiful on a brown dusky skin tone even without makeup, and they are not flashy or so brightened. So that's what I'm wearing right now, one of my favorite red shade for everyday use. So this is from Stays 929. It's a gloss lock 2-in-1 liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade I'm Feisty. It's a beautiful red shade. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful warm red shade, but it's subtle. It's not too bright. You can use it just like a matte lipstick or use also a gloss like this and give it a beautiful glossy look. Can you see I have no makeup on skin, but this one red shade just brightens up my overall look and it looks so beautiful, right? So the formula itself is really good. They are transfer proof and smudge proof. Yeah, so good. I really love how comfortable. I do not feel like wearing a lipstick. Like after wearing a lipstick and a lip gloss on top of it, this it's very comfortable. It's so good, lightweight, great for everyday use. So I feel they have only 5 to 6 shades, but if they can expand the shade range for deeper skin tone, I would be so happy, because the formulation amazing. For the price point, it's completely worth it. If they could expand the shade range, I would be very happy to try out and explore the shades. So for now, I would give this a 9 on 10. Next is a transfer proof lipstick that I'm currently absolutely loving, and it's in the affordable range as well, and I'm speaking about this Inside Cosmetics Vinyl Ink. So this is in the shade Cocoa Delight. It's a very beautiful mix of, again, mauve and brown undertone to it. It's so good. It has the right depth at a brown dusky skin tone needs, and it's a very beautiful transfer proof glossy formula. So you do not need an extra gloss with it. Just one lipstick, you'll be good to go. It's a long lasting, it's transfer proof, and what more do we need, right? So from the lip shade to the lip formulation, everything about it is just so good. Yeah, I really like for the price we pay, and this would get yeah, almost a 10 on 10. Next, yeah, I spoke about this particular lipstick recently, and the lip shade particularly and the formula has become my favorite, and it's from Love Earth. It's their Softy Tinty lipstick, and this is in the shade Mocha Melt. It's a very beautiful neutral to warm tone brown shade again. It looks so good on a brown dusky skin tone. If you're deeper than me, it's gonna suit you so well. Shade wise, it's amazing, and the formula wise, it's really so good. It has a very beautiful whip mousse kind of a formula, which I really like. So this is how it looks like. and I really love. See the depth of the color. It's the right point. It's not too deep. It's not too subtle. It's somewhere in between. It's so beautiful, and it's a very comfortable formula. Provides a blurred lip look again, which I absolutely love. Except for the packaging, which looks average or cheap, the formula and the shade is really good. So this would get a 8.5 on 10. Next comes my most favorite lipstick formulation that I've ever tried. I just keep on speaking about this in many of my videos, and I finally found my perfect everyday kind of a shade that I can wear from this range, and it is an Aran Fay Beauty Lip Whip. If you know me, you would know how much I love it, right? So this shade Steamy, it's like my perfect match. From the day I swatched for the first day, I was like, oh my god, this is the kind of shade I was looking for, and it looks so beautiful. Even if you are deeper than me, this is gonna look so good on you. So this shade has again a mix of mauve and cool tone brown shade, so it makes perfect for everyday use. The formula, I do not even have to speak about it. You even know it, right? So it's a very beautiful, again, a whipped most kind of a formula that makes it perfect for everyday use. It's very comfortable. Once it's set, it's almost transfer proof. So this is how it looks like. Can you look at that depth? Oh my god, it has a beautiful mix of mauve and brown undertone. I love everything about it, and I will keep using it till the end of my life. So this is like so good. This would get a complete 10 on 10. So the last lipstick is like my lips but better kind of a shade. It looks so good, and the formula is like top notch. I'm speaking about this Simply Numb. It's their satin soft lip cream, and this is in the shade Rosinin. It's a very beautiful caramel kind of a shade. It's very subtle brown shade. So if you are like NC46 and above, you can just pair it with a brown lip liner, and this looks so beautiful. Can you look at that shade? It's a very subtle brown caramel shade. So even for me, it would look much better when I wear it with a brown lip liner. Just as it is, if it is, then if you are a little slightly fairer than me, it would look so beautiful. But speaking about the formulation, oh my god, they also have some good deep brown shades. I'm yet to try it out, but when I try it, and maybe that would become my favorite brown shade from the range. So let's see. So now speaking about the formula, it's a very beautiful again. Almost these two are kind of a same formula. It's very whipped mousse, very lightweight, comfortable formula. So it is very perfect for everyday use. Yeah, I can just again, I've spoken more about it in my previous videos. You can definitely check it out, and this is one of my favorite lip shades again. This would get a complete 10 on 10. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page StyleForAJenny, and if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.